Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this exact really cute bow holder and a head wrap holder as well. Also, all of the bows that you see and the baby bow headbands and the head wraps, they are all available for purchase on my website. Check it out. I do make them myself. They are handmade. For this tutorial, you would need the bow holder template, and I have designed it. So if you just go on my website, Zhannastar.com, and the link is in the description below, and then you click on the PNG files, and they are right here. And then you could also click and watch a tutorial if you want to go back to the video. If you're using a brand new fabric mat or even the strong grip mat, then you could just put the felt on top of it. I'm using an old mat. It's not as sticky. So I use this spray called Pattern Stick, and I just spray lightly onto the mat and right away place the felt over it. And this way it sticks to it and it will not move around while the fabric is being cut. And once it's done, you see that I could just easily peel it off, and also it doesn't leave any weird stickiness or texture to the fabric itself. So this like embossed look on the bow, this actually happened by an accident. At first I wanted the bows to have a gold outline, but I did not like the look of it, so I ended up painting over it, and that's how it got that embossed look. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just comment below.